Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Help us grow this channel by giving this video a massive thumbs up so that it gets recommended to other YouTube viewers all around the world. Lastly, please leave your comments in the comment section. Without further ado, let's delve right into the details of today's news. Congratulations to Nigerians. CBN issues informal order to banks to pay old Naira notes. Um, as we all know, a few days ago, the Supreme Court of Nigeria gave an order and injunctions that the 500 naira old 500 naira note and 1000 naira note has become a legal tender, but since then people are still not accepting this money, all because Buhari himself and Emefiele hasn't come out to pronounce anything yet. But this morning I got to know that some banks were even issuing these old 500 naira 1000 naira notes, and now people have they have now we have now come to know that there's an informal order that have been given to the banks to start issuing this money out to people, and as from now people can start using this money. But anyway, before we go into the details, like I said, please subscribe. In order to comply with the judgment handed down by the Supreme Court on March 3rd, 2023, which extended the validity of a central bank of Nigerian's currency redesign policy to December 31st this year, some banks all over the country have begun paying out the old 500 naira and 1000 naira notes to their customers. This decision to issue the old naira notes to customers follows an informal approval issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN). However, the findings of Newsroom Nigeria indicates that only a portion of a bank has complied with the directive. These banks claim that they are waiting for an official directive from the Central Bank of Nigeria, which is abbreviated as CBN. From experience, the other time, like some weeks ago or days ago, weeks ago, yeah, there was people started saying that central bank has given an injunction. There was even a letter online to that effect, and people were saying you can now start spending the old naira notes. CBN later came out to say that there was nothing like that. They did not give any order like that. There was no letter to that effect. Even the letter was even shared by Aisha Buhari, the wife of the president. We later got to know that there was nothing like that, because CBN said they did not issue the letter, and they denied the whole thing. So I feel like that is what these banks are trying to avoid. They do not want a situation where now they go with the informal, like you heard, it was an informal order according to. So they don't want to go with an informal order, then CBN will now blame them that why didn't they wait for a formal order to be given before they now start doing anything. Yesterday, customers of Guaranteed Trust Bank (GTB), Access Bank, Sterling Bank, and Union Bank were given older versions of the banknotes for those respective financial institutions. A customer of Access Bank who withheld 20,000 naira from the bank reported that he was paid back in the old 500 naira and 1000 naira notes. This information lends credence to the recent turn of events. An official of the bank who spoke on the condition of anonymity denies that the bank has begun issuing the old notes to customers. These officials stated that the CBN has not authorized the banks to issue the old notes at this time. A staff member of GTB who spoke on the condition of anonymity verified the situation when speaking to Vanguard. Yes, we paid out 500 naira and 1000 naira to customers today, that is yesterday, according to another source close to GTB who spoke with Newsroom Nigeria. The bank obtained an informal approval from the CBN prior to dispensing the old 500 naira and 1000 naira notes to customers. On the other hand, a high ranking official from the CBN denied having any knowledge of any approval or order, official or otherwise, that would authorize banks to issue the old notes. According to the source, the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) has not been given any order from the federal government. As a result, the CBN is unable to provide any directives regarding the matter to the nation's bank. So, according to the source who works at CBN, that one is saying that there is nothing like that. CBN did not give any new order regarding the payment of old Naira notes, whereas the banks have just, started paying people, started paying customers with old Naira notes. Is it that these these banks are just trying to go rogue or what? Because I don't understand. If this one is fake, which means who and where is the news coming from? From where is this news coming from? From where is this order coming from? Because this will be the second time that this kind of thing is happening. Like I said before, there was a few weeks ago, there was an order given that they should start paying people with the old Naira notes. Later, CBN said they have no idea about that. The order wasn't from them and all that. And now we are seeing the same thing happen again. What is it going to be this time around? Is CBN going to come back publicly to say that they did not give the order again? I don't understand. But let me know what you all think in the comment section. Me, I feel that enough of all this suffering that these people are suffering us. Vote buying is not the only problem that we have in this country. It's not the only problem. It's not the only hindrance to free and fair election in this country. There are other ones. We saw it happen in the last election. Banner snatching is still happening. The beavers did not work. No transmission of results. So vote buying is the least of our worries in this country at this point. Let me know what you all think in the comment section. Thank you very much for always watching and listening. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.